Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Juniar Wicaksono. Here I want to explain you about the tutorial of using SPSS program. So let's move on to the data. Here in the Excel I have two data that are writing score and speaking score, and then for the first is we go to variable view. The name we can use y and x as a variable, and the label is we writing and speaking, and then make sure to for the decimal is 0. We move to data view, then we can copy all the writing score and speaking score. Can copy it into the SPSS, all the data. So we have the data, all the data is 46 data, and then for the first we can use the normality test by click analyze, descriptive statistics, explore. We can move all the variable to the dependent variable. Statistic, we can choose outliers and percentiles. Continue, and the plot is histogram and normality plots. Continue, and we can click OK. Yeah, here for the normality test, here there are we can see that the significance is for writing is 0.200, and then for speaking is 0.003, and then for the normal, there are the significance is have to more than 0.05 to normal data, so that we can conclude that the in the writing data the significance is not is normal, because this is more than 0.05, and then the speaking is 0.003, but we can conclude that this data is not normal. So we can if the data is not normal, we can choose the correlation rank Spearman by click the analyze. Then we can choose correlate and bivariate, all table to the variable. Option, we can choose mean standard deviation and cross product deviation and covariance. We can continue. Then for the correlation coefficient, we can choose Spearman to tail. We can see the result. You can see the result. Yeah, so this is the correlation. This is the correlation between the writing and speaking. So I want to open the, yeah, in this in this this data. So we can see the correlation, the significant two-tailed. If significant two-tailed less than 0.05 is correlate, and then if the significant value more than 0.05 is not is not correlate. So here in the data is the significant value is 0.015. So the data is correlate. And then for the interpretation of correlation coefficient, we can see the, so I can bold it this correlate. And then for the correlation coefficient, you can see that this is 0.354 357. And then so the correlation coefficient is low correlation. So that we can conclude that this data is have the correlation, but for the correlation coefficient it have the low correlation, low correlational. So guys, thank you for your attention, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.